Bro, you hear that? You hear that?
What's that?
That mean put your motherfucking seatbelt on, motherfucker. Damn.
I'm like, what this nigga talking about? I ain't about to kill this nigga.
Fuck, bro.
Fuel's got that heat.
Hey, it's me and T up in this bitch. I'm back at it again. Hey. I heard they said bitches get put up on shirts too. Well, I'm chaos, cause playing end up on the Fox News. I heard they say I've been pressing, they know we got Glocks too. If I put it on your head, then what would the op do? They say we pressing, but I'm pressing the message. Not hanging with no rest because them birds flock together. Still flying with my woody, even though Brody on tether. Wipe her nose and check her tip like that bitch under the weather. They know that I be pressing, that's why they don't like me. Thinking I'm Angelica, so mean with this Tommy. Besides for this rap shit, slide my favorite hobby. What the fuck you niggas pressing? You don't even got a body. Once again, I'm not a rapper, I just be talking shit. Hardest female in the city, I'm the one who got them pissed. That's why I gotta keep it on me. Glue tight to the hip, play with me is going down like I'm top up in this bitch. I heard they said bitches get put up on shirts too. Well, I'm chaos, cause playing end up on the Fox News. I heard they say I've been pressing, they know we got Glocks too. If I put it on your head, then what would the op do? I heard they said bitches get put up on shirts too. Well, I'm chaos, cause playing end up on the Fox News. I heard they say I've been pressing, they know we got Glocks too. If I put it on your head, then what would the op do?
Yeah, we pressing. I'm a hood bitch, all action. Don't do no flexing. Unless a bum bitch want the pressure, yeah, I gotta have it. Now you know I'm into fashion, I'm flashy. In the ghetto Barbie, I stay classy. Light a nigga up in the ashes like his granny. Damn, it's fucked up, I know my mouth a little nasty. Pistol whip his ass, now his voice a little raspy. Press a bitch, when on iron, now she at me, is she at me? Know that bitch a loser, she don't at me. She mentioned me on pages, now I know that bitch a fan of me. Stuntin' on these hoes, cause I'm gorgeous, now they hate me. Not fucking with these awkward ass bitches, they too shady. Hollow tips aiming at your head, now that's pressure. Niggas say I'm crazy, I just let that shit amaze me. I'm a hard ass rapper for a girl, they can't stand me. Beat a whole ass until she breathless, call her Sandy. I heard they said bitches get put up on shirts too. Well, I'm chaos, cause playing end up on Fox News. I heard they said I be pressing, they know we got Glocks too. If I put it on your hand, man, what would the op do? I heard they said bitches get put up on shirts too. Well, I'm chaos, cause playing end up on the Fox News. I heard they say I